Hi everybody, today we're going to have a look at learning how to play La Colombina from the Trinity book and also from your Guitar Basics book. First of all, we're going to have a little look at the rhythm. The rhythm is in 2-bar phrases for the first part, and the rhythm for that is cat, monkey, cat, rest. Monkey, monkey, cat, rest. That's repeated 3 times, and then in bar 7, we go cat, 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 rest, cat, 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 rest, cat, 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 rest, then cat, monkey, cat, rest. Brilliant. Let's start that first part of the song up to the fine with a beat, just clapping for now. Off we go. Cat, monkey, cat, rest. Monkey, monkey, cat, rest. Cat, monkey, cat, rest. Monkey, monkey, cat, rest. Cat, monkey, cat. Monkey, monkey, cat. Cat, 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 rest. Cat, 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 rest. Cat, 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 rest. Cat, monkey, cat, rest. Brilliant. If we look at the second half, we have a similar rhythm going through the second half, which is monkey, monkey, cow, cat, cat, cow. Monkey, monkey, cow, cat, cat, cow. Monkey, monkey, cow, cat, cat, cow. Cat, 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 monkey, cat, rest. So don't forget, those cows need to be on for 2 beats. They're minims, they hold on for 2 beats. Let's try that with the rhythm, with the pulse. Off we go. Monkey, monkey, cow. Cat, cat, cow. Monkey, monkey, cow. Cat, cat, cow. Cat, 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 monkey, cat, rest. Then we will go back to the beginning and do the first half again up until where it says fine. Okay, so the rhythm is the most important part of this song really. Getting that rhythm, it's quite fast for guitar. So we're going to start it really slow and we're just going to play it very slow to start. I'm going to give you 3 different tempos on this video today. We're going to do one at 60, one at 90 and one at 120 BPM. Now the 120 is just for people just about to go in for their exam. So don't worry about trying to play it that fast straight away. Initially, I just want you to do the 60 and keep practicing it at 60 because it's more important that we do it correctly at a slower speed because soon that will just come naturally speeding it up. So just for now, if you're new to this piece, just try the 60 beats per minute. That's the first one. Okay, here we go with the music.